Today, we're going to talk about data collection and statistics and learn some of the basic terminology associated with data collection. Is statistics equal to data? No, statistics is more than just data. Statistics is the study of the collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization of data. Statistics is the science that processes and analyzes data in order to produce meaningful information of a population. But just what is statistics and why do we need statistics? You may associate statistics with numbers that indicate birth rates, crime rates, marriage and divorce rates, and so on. The first example is, do the majority of US citizens support Donald Trump? The population of this research question is all US citizens. The second example is, do Hong Kong teenagers think that it is difficult to buy a home? The population of this research question is all Hong Kong teenagers. Sometimes the population can be very large. Although we are usually interested in a population, quite often because of a limited time and resources, a subset selected from a population is called a sample. For example, if you are doing research, you would likely collect your data from a sample and then generalize your observations to a larger population. However, one of the drawbacks is that bias can occur when we collect data from the sample, and that sample may be non-representative of the population. Sampling method refers to the rules and procedures by which some elements of the population are included in the sample. Some common sampling methods are convenient sampling, simple random sampling, systemic sampling, stratified sampling. Convenient sampling is one of the most common sampling methods. An example is you just ask somebody who walks past you to answer the question, such as in a shopping mall. Simple random sampling is the best sampling method because it increases the likelihood of obtaining samples that are representative of the population. Systemic sampling relies on arranging the target population according to some ordering scheme, and then selecting elements at regular intervals through that ordered list. Stratified sampling is a sampling method in which the population is divided into a subset or group based on their characteristics, known as strata. An example of stratified sampling would be comparing the level of income between upper socioeconomic and lower socioeconomic status. Next, we move on to statistical procedures, which are divided into two major categories: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics focuses on describing, simplifying, summarizing, or explaining a set of data in a meaningful way. Graphs showing the mean, median, and mode are one of the principal and simplest methods for showing overall information about data. An example of descriptive statistics is the following statement: the mean math score of Chinese students is 80. The second type of statistics is inferential statistics. This is a set of methods used to make a generalization, estimate, prediction, or decision. An example of inferential statistics is the following statement: Chinese students are more proficient in mathematics than US students. So now you've learned some of the basic terminology associated with data collection. In our next section, we look at statistical parameters and variables.